Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. I'm going to make this video for YouTube showing the few trade setups, Magic Wave trade setups for the last week. We're starting from Monday. It's a lot more setups all over because the volatility is already back and the ranges have increased, daily ranges, and things are moving. This week was especially very good, but I don't know about the next week. Very less data news. Calendar is not that great, and that's the catalyst that moves the market, by the way. So if you don't have that, then you don't move. But I think if the volatility is just going to be, stay from now on, more or less, but it's going to stay. All right. Maybe not, the next week would not be as great as the last week, but still, it's going to be better than June, July, or August. Okay, so let me show you a few setups and how this Magic Wave setup look like and how it works. So this is from starting from May. I think it's for 15, not May, Monday. 15 September 15, starting, it's like a pound USD 5-minute chart. You can see it's a turning point from the highs. And by the way, these highs and lows, when I take the short or long, it's all for a reason. It's not like, I'm going to take this long here and don't go because I know that there is a resistance here. Okay, so once you know the higher time frame, my before charts and all that, you can see on my website. I do my analysis and then decide ahead of time that what I will do. I will not go long in this area, and I'll wait for a turn, and then if I see a short setup, then I'll take it. So this is how it works, and this is what I teach in my webinars as well once you subscribe. Okay, so if you like what you see, then just go ahead and subscribe. It's learning is the key. If you learn it properly, it's amazing. Just see it for yourself. This is pound Aussie 5-minute chart. You have one entry here, and pound Aussie is a lot of pippage, by the way. So you're talking about 80-50 here. Let's say 80-40 and right 80-32, and then it goes up here. This is 79-50. So that's 100 pips right there. Two entries, one for 100, one for 50-60. It's even one entry of one 5-minute trade like that or chart like that is good for the whole week. Okay, if you do it properly. So Monday, not too much because Monday is usually slow. The 16 comes in, your Aussie, you can see it, nice, beautiful entries. Stop is always behind the wave. So you see if I take an entry here and then put a stop here, it never get hit. If I take an entry here, put a stop here, never get hit. Okay, it goes all the way. So this is the key. This is what the setup is all about, that you minimum stop loss and the safest. And as soon as you go a little bit in the money, you can just go and sit on the break even and be safe. 16th and this is 18th. By the way, they are all scattered. Oh, well, let me go from here. Maybe I'll come. Okay, so this is 16th. Again, Aussie yen. Let me see. This is 15. Okay, this is this Monday, Tuesday, Aussie yen. You can see how. See, this is the support actually. So the price comes and then hit the support and then bounce. And in bouncing, it gives you the setup. One setup is here, the other one is here, and it goes. Okay, this is how it works. 16 CAD yen. Again, look how nice the setup is. Beautiful, easy. Then comes 16. We just saw this one, Euro Aussie. Okay, so things start to pick up around Monday, Tuesday. And then here comes 17, Euro USD, all the way down. And then here is CAD yen, the same thing, but it's continue going. It's just keep going and going, 16, 17, 18. Because of the yen was getting weaker, I'll show you at the end why all these yen pairs went crazy. Okay, these entries are not, it's like alone. You have to have a higher time frame analysis, a little bit. And that's why I start doing the webinar, because a lot of times people buy this strategy, try to do it alone, and then you can get a little hurt. Okay, because if you don't know, you may see a bullish setup right into the resistance, or a bearish at the support. You're not supposed to take it. So if you know that there is a resistance or a support, and you don't do it. But with the higher time frame, you see which way the price is going to make a turn. If it's keep going up, then you wait for the resistance and then make your plan. Okay, all right, from this resistance, it should make a turn to the downside, and then you can only go short, right? So you wait for the setup, and if the setup comes in, you take it with confidence. Like here, it was nice and clean coming in, and then it goes and gives you a setup. Then when you know that the yen is getting weaker big time, and the pound was getting strong last week, so you just take these setups blindly. I'll show you the pound index chart. Okay, this is euro yen. Again, all the yen pairs were flying, went cuckoo. Bullish USD franc. Here again, USD yen went too high. I know I had a monthly chart. I've even posted on my website. You can see it was. I knew that where it was going. It was going on for 109, and nice and clean it did on the monthly chart. Here, franc yen, 2 entries, gone with the wind. Here, 18th, euro yen, 15 minute. These are big entries, 15 minutes and a little bit of distance is a long distance. It's like 141 here, and the entry was 139.67. Not too bad. This entry, 18 pound yen, they both went because of the yen. Pound yen 5 minute on 19th came down. Now you will see that 18 it going up, 19 coming down, was up. But that's what it is. If you know exactly what you're doing, let me ask you this, okay? You watch the video and then tell me why this thing here from here it dropped. Why, in the first place, why did it go all the way up here and then drop big time from there? What is the importance of this point here? Okay, anybody, if out there, anybody know, please let me know. Post a comments, email me or something. I want to see how many people knows about it. Because if you know these things, then taking these trades, is a piece of cake. 18, you were going up 100, 200 pips, then came down 250 pips, almost like that. So 190 pip drop here. From here, by the way, not from here. And the other strategy which involved like support and resistance, I could have taken it from here. And that would be like 181. Okay. And this is 179 something, so it's 150 pip just here. But forget about that. I just follow this setup, and then because you want to be safe. Okay. So please, let me know. My email address is myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. If you know the importance of this area, let me see what number. I don't know. It's somewhere around like 180 something. Okay, so 180.70. All right, so just tell me why this thing turned from here. It went up there all the way up and then came down crashing from that number. And I knew it, and that's why I'm confident taking these trades, because it's once you know it, you just wait for a turn, and when the turn is happening, then you know that you're right, and you take the setup. Okay, here, USD franc 5 minute going up all the way. On 19th, pound USD 5 minute chart coming down, 2 entries all the way. This was the target. Why this was a target? You all know probably it was a support 63.01. It's the number. And going below 64.61. These are weekly highs and lows that I have use. Very important to use that. Okay, here on 19th, Euro USD again 5 minute dropping from here all the way down. 28.73 is a big number, so I was taken out here somewhere, 28.73, and then you have an entry here, you have an entry here, and came down. And I don't know if you know where it's going, but I know. All right, let me show you why these yen pairs went cuckoo. Okay, now, all those yen pairs, I send out the chart for yen index. Index is an individual currency index that tells you individual currency strength or weakness. Let's say if I say pound index, then that means that index will show, the chart will show that only pound is either is getting strong, or if it is going up, strong, and if it's coming down, it's getting weaker. Pound is losing value. And then you see against, if the pound is losing value, which currency is gaining value, and then you trade that pair to get the highest difference between them. Okay, that's how we make money, right? So yen index was going up, and yen is the opposite. So yen index going up means yen is going to get weaker, and it was going to get a lot weaker, and then that's why I just, have these nice trades. Let me show it to you because the trade is up already. This was the chart. Look at this, okay? First I had this 12th, September 12th, and we started the week when? 15th, right? I just show you chart from the 15th. But if I knew ahead of time that this would happen, yen index would go all the way up here, from here, then it makes my life easy. Okay, all you have to do is just find long entries every night, London open, Frankie open, and then take the long setups. Simple as that. Another understanding and the calculation I had is this chart here. It's simple. There was a high here, 59.78, and it says it's going to come down a little bit here, test, because it broke that level, right? 59.78 went up. Now you need to come down and then test and bounce, and that's exactly what it did, and it went all the way up to, let's see where. See, this is how it is. I even wrote it down here. Break of point B and test 59.78, then possible continuation to the upside. Okay, so what happened? It start going up and up and up and all the way up there. From here to here, it's a weekly chart, by the way. It's a lot of pivots. So it's a butterfly pattern, and this is one of my specialty, that I start trading these things from point C. It's like X, A, B, C was here, but then again C was, we had double C here. Okay, so it went up there, but if something happened and boom, it came down again on these levels. These are very, very strong support level, 58.40 and 58.56. And then when it start bouncing from there, that's it, hallelujah. And all you have to do is just find any yen pair which is going up and go long blindly. Okay, no problem whatsoever. The only hurdle that from C point when you're going, you have to be careful around B. Sometimes B will stop you and then throw you back to the trend line. But if, see right here, this candle got stopped here and then pulled back, but then again start going up, and then we broke it, tested it, gone with the wind. And because of that, all the yen pairs went up, all the way up. But remember, pound yen, okay? Please do tell me why it make the turn and then drop 250 pip on Friday. That area, 180.70, something like that. Okay, if anybody knows. If not, then Monday I'll make a video again, maybe tomorrow, and then I'll tell you. Okay, it's so simple. If you know these, why these, I have these numbers here. They are there for a reason. Okay, these numbers are for a long time. I have sheets made up with these numbers, which I give to my subscribers, and then what the idea is to open a 4-hour chart and draw these lines and numbers, and then watch what happens. See, the price comes, it's right here, and it comes down, and then hit this band. It's 58.40, 58.56, and then pulls back. Okay, pulling back, and then again the next day. Not the next day, the week, this week. Okay, so the next candle is bullish. That means it's a rejection from these levels. So where the heck is gonna go? Here. Once we get there, then we watch if it's gonna bounce or break. It break that thing. Where it gonna go? This, break this. If then strategy, keep going with it. All right, so this is it. This is how this Forex Magic Wave strategy work. With higher time frame is much easier. And this is what I teach in my webinars. If you subscribe, you can learn in no time. and the subscription is only $50 a month. One of these trade, it's like pound yen dropping 200 pip, one standard lot, that's $2,000, right? Imagine. Even 1 mini lot is $200. So ask yourself a question that last week I showed you most clear entries, which are, I didn't take all of them, but they were there. I just showed you. Okay, if you know exactly, and I know more about the areas, turning points, than the magic you have set up or trading right now, because I've been teaching and doing my analysis, and I can literally tell you. For example, let me see if I can pull the chart to show you. Gold, everybody was like, what's happening with gold, this and that, and let me see if I can really look where it is now, right? And let me see if I can, my old chart. So you need to know a little bit of, all the things, and man, gold is hiding from me. Let me see, that's 19, that's 20, okay. So look, this chart here, I made it like 11th of July, and telling you that while it was going up, by the way, okay, it was going up, but I said turn can happen without touching the blue sloping teal. Blue sloping teal was this. Everybody was like, yeah, it's going up for the TL, the E wave, and this and that, but I had a very, 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 very good feeling that it's going to take a turn. And it took the turn from there and all the way down to here right now. And breaking this line here, this very, very important line. Breaking this, now we're going to drop to these levels. Okay, be ready for that. Okay, so we may just drop and then go back up a little bit, test this white line here. Okay, again, this one I'm going to leave it to you to find out what it is. Okay, but this number is on the left hand side out of the chart right here somewhere, is hiding, and the one is going is also hiding. So that's a secret that I'll leave it up to you to find out what it is. But this is Elliott wave magic. It's like wave 1, 2, 3. You see this 3 here, okay, and then it goes wave 4 usually goes either flat or a triangle. So you have to just watch out what's happening. Flat is equally just A, B, C, and then boom for wave 5. But here you can see it's A, B, C, and then it came down but never came in, and then it went up for the E. So it's D and E. Usually triangle have 5 waves. So it finished the triangle here, and then going for the wave 5, and wave 5 should be small, like 5 waves, small 5 waves. You can see them on the lower time frame. This is a weekly chart. 4-hour or daily chart will show like this wave 1, 2, and now we're going for the wave 3. Will be wave 4, and then again wave 5 to the downside, finishing the wave 5 of this blue count. Okay, so this is how it goes. So this is it for now. Again, if you like what you see, go ahead on my website, subscribe, and start learning. In no time, you will be doing great. And if you're doing already great, then don't bother. Okay, just keep doing whatever you're doing as long as you're making pips. All right, so have a very, very good, nice weekend. Today I have Saturday here, all cloudy. May go to the park with my kid, have fun a little bit, ride a bicycle or something. Okay, so also you go out and enjoy, and see you tomorrow in trading time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.